All right, bro. What is your name?
My name is Ryan.
Okay, my name is Nai. So what we're gonna do today?
Rasta.
This
Yeah.
means cornrow,
Yeah.
but in Morocco you call Rasta.
We call it Rasta. And what do you call it?
Cornrow.
Cornrow.
Braid.
Yeah.
English is braid.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
braid is many style.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna do like cornrow.
We're gonna get it to the back.
Yeah, at the
Okay.
back, but I want to do like zigzag.
Zigzag. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take your time.
All right. Okay. How do you feel? Do you feel it's different person?
Of course, different. The best cut that I ever seen in Marzi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wallah.
Thanks, man. This is your first experience to get
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Rasta,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because it's a bit different between Asia and Africa. Okay, okay.
Balcony view on the block and the soap. Tea in my hand while we talk on the move. Came from the rain to the dust and the dunes. Same cold eyes in a hot ass June. Cousin and Fez on the line with a plan. Uncle and Cuss are still counting in bands. London to Raqqa, same code, same stance. Jello about drip with the mosque and the
All right, brother, it's finished.
Oh, thank you so
Okay,
much.
you're welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for coming.